So hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sarah, and I just literally recorded a 10-minute video without recording. So I'm actually here this time and I'm gonna do a small shop hush haul because I bought some more stuff, but there are a couple of things that I've been wanting for a little while and they're different things. I did a make tutorial / review on this look right here, so I'll link that in the cards above or down below. And let's just get into it because I've already talked about all these products. This is gonna be the second time around, and let's just get this over with. First thing I picked up in my most recent haul, because I have a problem, was the LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipstick. It looks like this. It's in the color Lustrous. But I swatched it right here. It's this really pretty, like a pinky red color, and it looks like it dries down, but it does not. It stays wet. It's a little interesting and could be a little temperamental. It's like $3. It's a really pretty color, but I don't feel like it's gonna be more for like photos and not exactly for like if I want to go out on a date and eat pizza or something. I can't wear that because it does not dry down. Next, I picked up the matte 24-hour lip gloss from Princessa. It's in the color Burnt Cinnamon. I don't know what is with all these companies calling their lip glosses matte. Wouldn't it be considered like a liquid lipstick? I don't know. But it's this color right here. I just swatched it. Oh my gosh, it looks like this like got glitter, but it's not. It's totally matte. It is this right here. I actually had a ton of swatches on my hand and I washed my hand and it did not come off. So the only issue is that it does go on a little streaky. I tried to build it up on my lips earlier and it wasn't really working, so I added a lip gloss over the top and I loved it with that. But that's the only problem I have with this lip gloss matte thing. I don't know. Next, if you watch my Insta stories, you'll know that I got this liquid liner and I'm not very happy about it. I got it for like $3. I needed a new liner. But it's in this really awful felt tip form. I like brush liquid liners, like the e.l.f. one. I mean, it's pretty black, but I don't like the felt tip ones. I feel like I can't get as precise of a line. Next, I picked up this lash glue from Ardell. It's in the color dark, so it like comes out gray and it dries down black. I used it on my lashes today. I kind of like it. It's a little bit thicker of a formula than my Duo lash glue, which I always use, but they were sold out this time. But yeah, so far I don't hate it. It's a little bit thicker, I definitely say. It dries down quicker though, so I mean, you don't have to wait as long for it to become tacky. And I picked up two different lashes. This is the first time I've ever gotten one from Cara eyelashes. It's 100% human hair. And they're like super winged out. They're really fluttery, so I'm excited to try these. They had them on sale for like $1. And then I also picked up the J Lash Lash Kit, and so this one comes with a small thing of adhesive. But again, some really pretty fluttery eyelashes. I usually get all mine like from Hong Kong or something on Amazon. And I like them, but I wanted to try a few different styles. And so the last two things I picked up in my small little order was this, the Retro Love Palette. This is what I have in my eyes today. I have a whole review. I'll have it linked, yada yada yada. But she's so pretty. So I've really been looking for like dustier, cooler tones to switch up my collection because I have a ton of like purples and reds and pinks and like brown colors and stuff like that. So I wanted to switch it up a little bit and get some cooler tones and try like maybe like some yellows. And so I thought that trying out the Subculture dupe would be a great way for me to expand my collection. This is still $10 on their app. I know a lot of the Bad Habit palettes have increased to about $12 to $16. It really just depends. But yeah, she's $10. It's the Retro Love palette. It comes in a little box identical to this, but I threw it away because I'm impatient. I have some swatches on my arm. Its swatch is pretty nice. I mean, it's a cheap palette, so the eyeshadow powders are a little powdery, but it's workable. I I personally like the formula. I don't have an issue with it because I know how it works. And then last, I picked up 2 little Okalon liquid metal palettes I've been looking at for a while. And so now they're empty because I'm going to show you them in a second. But they come in these little, like, it's already like a magnetic tray. And so I'm actually going to save these 2 little palettes for like traveling. I have a ton of single shadows coming in a big ColourPop order. And I'm like actually kind of excited because these are like, they're pretty sturdy. But these are the shadows that came in there. I just put them all in my Z palette. All these are the liquid metal eyeshadows, except for this. This is something else. But they're really, really, like, they're so soft. And Okalon, for me, is one of those brands that, look at that. I have a couple different palettes from them. And they're such, like, one of them I absolutely hate, and then one of them I absolutely love. And so I was like, I've been looking at this for a while, and it comes in a duo. But these are actually so good. They're really pigmented, they're really soft, and they do look like liquid. I thought that they were going to be, like, soft, like, putty-like shadows originally, but they're just really well done pressed metallic shadows, so they're really beautiful. If you get the kit, the only thing I have to say that I did not like is that in each of the kits there's, okay, these 2 are almost identical. They're not identical. I looked at them after. One has a copper glitter in it, and one has a more yellow undertone and a gold glitter in it, so they are different, but these 2 are the exact same. But like, look, oh my gosh, how soft. Actually, they are wet. Ah! Oh my gosh. But yeah, no, these are the exact 2 same colors. They're the color Soot, and they come in both of the compacts. They're a little more of like a glitter formula. But they're the exact same color. It's $12 to get 2 of these little things, but yeah, I was a little miffed about that at first, but honestly, like, it's such a cheap palette. Okay, now I'm just like, I'm shook that these are actually, like, they're, like, putty. This is so crazy. They are, like, actually, like, oh my god, that's so pretty. They are actually, like, liquid. Okay, so I highly recommend these now. Ooh. They're, like, almost always out of stock, and now I know why. These are really cool. And, okay, this purple is just... she's so pretty. And just the sheen that they give off is just... it's beautiful. Okay, now I really have to go and, like, actually shower after this. But then last, I mean, I'm just gonna swatch this Carity Cosmetics eyeshadow for you. They had a sale for Valentine's Day, so it was free shipping, and so I've been looking at Carity for a while and wanted to try some stuff. I didn't want to buy a whole palette, so I just bought one shadow to test out the formula. It's a satin, and it's actually, like, really, really good. I'm going to play with it for a little bit to see what I think, because I think the cheapest palette on there is a $25 palette. And so I want to make sure I like it before I spend $25 on, like, a random palette. But I really like how soft it is. It's pretty blendable. So I might be getting some Carity Cosmetics in the future. But yeah, also I got the Z palette, which I'm pretty excited about because they have some ColourPop shadows coming very soon. But that is all I have for you guys today. But I'm mostly excited for the Okalon liquid metal shadows, which now that I know that they are like a putty formula, that's really exciting. And the Retro Love palette, like I said, I have like a little first impression demo thing that I did, so I'll link that above. Again, check it out because this is actually like, these cheaper palettes, they require a little bit of work, but as long as you know how to use the shadows, they work so well. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below if you also have a Shop Hush addiction like myself. I would love to go to group therapy with you. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time with me. Bye!